welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to apply fake nails, but before that I'd like to talk about this very product, lovelynails.pk. So as you can see here, my nails are done. So this is after the tutorial. It will be after my explanation. I wanted to talk about it a little bit, that I really like their product. I've used it. As you can see here, this is my nails. Their product was good, but what I really, I was really excited and really happy, as you could tell in my unboxing video. But then they kind of, disappoint me and killed my vibe because of how their attitude was toward the customer. I'd say the customer service was really disappointing. And secondly, this one, I've not done tutorial on this. The reason is that this is not polished like my fingernails. Fingernails are polished, but the toenails are literally just as if you get any ordinary fake nails. They're not cool. They're not impressive. So the set was long matte nails. First of all, these are not matte. They're seriously just any toenail you get without the polish done. So this is what it actually looks like. The toenail versus this fingernail. This is matte, this is polished, like which I ordered, but these are just as any fake nail you'd order without the polish. Get that? It's not like, I thought it would be really cool, just like this one, but it wasn't. So anyway, I'd say I won't be ordering from them anymore. I can order from anywhere else, like Daraz or AliExpress. It's available right there, so I will link those links below. You can check them out. Anyway, so as promised, I have the nail tutorial after this video, so here you go.
Alright, here is the nail tutorial, so let's start it. Things you'll need: set of fake nails, nail buff, nail file, cuticle pusher, oil, alcohol pads, and adhesive silicone. Lay out your fake nails. Open up the package and lay all the nails out in the order you will be placing them on your nails. So first, I'm going to select the right size of nails by trying them, and the one which fits right will be selected. The largest nail will go on your thumb, and the smallest will be placed on your littlest fingers. Ensure the nails fit comfortably over your real nail. Now, time to buff those nails. Buff the surface of the natural nail to roughen it. This makes the fake nail adhere better. Now, use alcohol pad to remove the excess of your buffed nail. Don't forget about your cuticles. Gently push them back before you apply your fake nails so they are properly prepped and you have enough space to fit that fake nail onto your actual nail. Your kit should come with a nail for each finger and a little bottle of adhesive or pack of adhesive. For me, I have both. Carefully squirt a little drop of glue. Be sure to press it hard for a minute after sticking. Repeat the same with the remaining nails. And done with the first method of applying fake nails with bottle of glue on my right hand. So on my left hand, I will be doing the second method with pack of adhesive silicone. And for this, you will be needing a pair of tweezers. Carefully pick this up with a pair of tweezers to prevent tear. Then place it onto your fake nail and press it with your thumb or finger to make sure it's placed there. And now remove the sheet so that the side is tacky and you can stick it onto your actual nail. Press it hard to make sure it's in its place and doesn't fall off. Now we're done with both of the hands. Use a file to shape the bottom edges if necessary. Time to moisturize your hands and cuticles. For that, here I'm using Co Naturals Radiance Oil Blend. Massage your hands and cuticles with the oil. That's it, done! If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me if you haven't already, comment below, and share with your friends, family, anyone you could possibly can. Till then, have a good day or night wherever you are. Stay amazing. Bye guys.